About 1 month ago, I started wondering about what could be my next big play in the cryptocurrency market. I was not looking for a coin to just hold on to the next bull market and then sell it in a profit. I was looking for a consistent, medium risk, medium return play in a market like this. Went a little down in the last 3 months, but altogether in a sideways market. Okay, so I was looking for something consistent that makes me profit on a daily basis, even with a medium risk involved. What I found was BitGet. BitGet actually also recently partnered up with soccer legend himself, Lionel Messi. For the guys following my channel, they know that 8 days ago we already made a video about this, and I asked you a question if this should become my next big play in the cryptocurrency market. And I actually want you to watch this video and make a pause in between and let me know in the comments down below if you think this is fitting for my next cryptocurrency play, because I think when you see the numbers, this could be the one. Or if you think, come on, let's take it somewhere else. I don't think this is good enough. I don't think this is, or this works, or this is worth the risks involved, or whatever you think, just put it down below in the comments. But let's get started. So to give the new guys a quick little heads up on what is actually BitGet. BitGet is just another cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or KuCoin or Coinbase, which you might know. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on here, but it also has a feature like copy trading. You can copy trade in the futures market here with up to 50x leverage. So that's pretty cool. But in the copy trading section, because you only can start copy trade with $10 per trade, you kind of need a little higher entry, you know, so you cannot just start with $100. This will be gone. So don't start. Even though, as you guys know, this is definitely no financial advice. Please always do your own research. Trading is risky, cryptocurrency is risky, so it's very important to do your own due diligence, do your own research, and make your own decisions. What I love BitGet about, it's that it has very low fees. You can actually see it up here, buy crypto or spot trading, 0 fees up top. So very good stuff. I use BitGet for grid trading. What is grid trading? What is grid bot trading? Because I'm not doing it myself, I use a bot. So basically I registered a bot, or I set it up, and then the bot does the whole work for me. So now what is a grid trading strategy, or what is a grid bot strategy? This is my Ethereum classic grid trading strategy. Okay, so this here is our entry point where we started the bot. I made an area for the bot to trade. I choose between $18 and $28. Okay, you have to define this before you get started. So I put $500 in this trading bot. You immediately change $250 to one trading pair and $250 to the other trading pair, because USDT is our trading pair. When we start the bot, at this point right here, at the entry point, we immediately have $250 in USDT and $250 in Ethereum, if that makes sense. Okay, and in between this $18 to $28, I have about, I think, 60 grids installed. Okay, you can choose this as well, depending on how much money you're willing to invest. So each grid is one line right here. And then it's pretty simple. Highlighted in red is the Ethereum Classic chart. Okay, and every time it crosses one grid of us, it either sells or buys. And as easy as it sounds, every time it crosses upwards, it sells. Every time it crosses downwards, it buys again. Okay, and that's fully automatic. So also here, we want like a chart like this, you know, cross as many grids upwards, cross as many grids downwards, you know, all the way up, all the way down, all the time. And that's what it looks like in theory. And let's check out if it actually worked for us. So let's check out our assets, and immediately we see we have $1,012.58 in asset value, and that's higher than what we put in. So we already know that we made a little bit of profit. When we want to check out our GridBot strategies, we have to go into orders and strategy trading record. Now we see both of our coins, and we see our Bitcoin to USD Tether trading pair running up for 31 days, so exactly 1 month, has a total yield of 5.42%. I think this is again a ridiculous amount of profit for a Bitcoin trading bot for 1 month. That's an APY of 63.79% with Bitcoin trading again in markets like this. So that's a real big W in my books. And our Ethereum Classic, as of right now, has a profit of 13.65 USDT, which is a yield of 2.73% in only 10 days. And actually you can see right now, the price just crossed one grid and it sold ETC to USD Tether, and there's another sell. Okay, so we can actually also check it out how much they sold or bought already in just 10 days of time. Our Ethereum Classic, wow, already made completed 192 trades in just 10 days. That's 19 trades a day. That's remarkable, guys. And you see, we already made $27.66 in grid profit. That possibly means that the Ethereum Classic dropped a little bit in price. Let's check it out on CoinMarketCap. Let's check the last 7 days with Ethereum Classic, and yep, it dropped a little bit in price. That means that our unpaired profit is in a loss, but we made a lot of grid profit. And you see, this order made 6 cents in profit. The order before made 6 cents in profit. It's not much per trade, but given that we already completed 192, this adds up, guys. This really adds up. And our Ethereum Classic currently states 94.64% APY. Also remarkable. And again, Ethereum Classic, the chart looks even worse, right, than Bitcoin. So that's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And again, let me guys know in the comments down below what you think about the GridBot strategy, what you think about GridBots anyways. Should this be my next bigger investment? Obviously, I will not fill it up with 15,000 as of right now, what I did with the EAZYBOT, but I have $1,500 in profit from the EAZYBOT. I might use them to put it up here, right? With $1,500, I can easily start 3 more GridBots and really diversify into this market. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll put a link to BitGet down below. Obviously, for GridBots, you do not need BitGet as a cryptocurrency exchange. You can also just use Binance or whatever cryptocurrency exchange you are using right now. But in case you want to get started on BitGet, just like I am, I love it. Also, I'm not using BitGet for anything else right now. Maybe I'll start later with copy trading again, but that's then very, very easy for me. You know, nothing else is on here, so I can just check it out and see all the profits with one eye. If you want to get started on a BitGet with GridBot strategy, obviously fill it up with a little bit of USD Tether. Then check out spot trading, spot grid trading. Just click on here. You can choose your trading pair up here. There's a lot of trading pairs up here. Obviously, no financial advice, but I would recommend using a volatile trading pair. So where you have a lot of movement up and down the markets, just choose one. Let's take Dogecoin. This was very volatile the last couple of days, like big movements. Then you put in your grid strategy. You can either set it manually, you know, manual creation, or just the AI strategy, right? Then you check what you have available in your balance. You assign a certain amount. You can use your full amount. You can use a little bit. The more money you assign to a bot, the more grids you can make within the price range of the coin. Okay, so 137 is obviously not enough for me for one bot, so I will wait. You have a projected APY. This is then backwards for the last 7 days. Obviously Dogecoin, yeah, that would have been awesome. And then you just click create a strategy and boom, you're on. Okay, it's that easy. And yeah, if you like my content, please guys leave me a thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. Sub to the channel. I love it that it's growing, and we'll see each other on the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream